Step by step, ooh baby, gonna get to your goals. I'm Jon Riki. Welcome to Positive Masters, where we work on our mindset and our passion projects. Now, for our long-term goals, they are long-term, meaning they can take months or even years to attain. Yet every day we show up. Some days we're happy, other days we're sad. Sometimes we're optimistic, other times we're not. It's crazy, up and down, right? But yet we show up because of our value, our purpose, what we're aiming for. It means so much that we're willing to go through these ups and downs, and we show up. And oftentimes when we start working, you notice you gain more momentum. As you start working, you feel better, you feel more alive, you feel more energetic, you get happy with your little wins, your little success. And guess what? After a while, you feel good. Oftentimes that will happen once you just start, right? And I go through that a lot. I mean, having this virtual teamwork that we have, it helps. And I hope it helps you too, because I feel like we're a team. We're doing this together. We're going to try and conquer our fears and conquer our insecurities or our worries or whatnot that may come up. But on those days that we feel good, man, let's just crush it hard together. Let's just rock it. You know what I mean? But on those tough days, maybe we need a little push. Maybe this virtual teamwork that we have is just that little push we need to get through that little bit of challenge, that toughness that we gotta grit up to, you know, that tenacity that we're trying to like build and go forward with. So as we work on our work today and our studies, let's take another step forward in our journey, in our process to attack and destroy and rock our goals.